In this video, we will learn how to use ink to shape in Microsoft Word document. So let's start. Open your Word document and go to the Draw tab and look for the ink to shape option. You can see here in Convert Group have a ink to shape option. Okay, just click on it, and when you select it, you can see here one pen also here select. Okay, so you can draw here shape. So I'm going to draw here the circle, and when I draw the circle, you can see here the shape is ready. With the help of ink to shape option, the properly shape is draw. So I draw again the different shape. You can see here shape is a properly draw. Okay, if you want to change color, just click on this drop down arrow of the pen and select your different color. Now you can draw again with a different color. You can see the shape with ink to shape. So if you want to delete any shape, just click on it, the shape will select it, and use the delete key of the keyboard. And if you want to formatting on the any shape, just double click on it. You can see here the shape format tab also added here. You can see here the number of shape formatting option available here. You can insert here the different shape also. Here you can just click on it and insert here the different shape. With the you can feel the different color of your shape. So I select here the different color and you can feel here. Okay, if you want to change the style of shape, you can see here the changes on the shape. Position, when you click on the position, you can set the position of your shape. Okay, so where you want. If you want to change the size, you just drag with the corner. You can change your size also. With this, you can see here the size group also available in shape format tab. You can change size here. Just click on this up arrow and down arrow. You can see the changes on the shape. Okay, so these are the option available in the shape format. You can use it to format your shape easily. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.